Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by installing Yoliker and granting the essential permissions so the app can access camera and storage immediately. Once done, create or sign into your account and complete the quick email or phone verification step so your settings sync. Make sure to allow location only when a feature requests it and enable notifications to receive real-time updates. This gets you into the app fast, removes early friction, and ensures Yoliker has the access it needs to function correctly. You now configure the core workflow inside Yoliker. Pick a template or start blank and name your project so you can find it later. Next, set camera and input sources and choose output quality, 720p or 1080p, while adjusting bitrate for smooth performance. Then map actions like gestures and keyboard shortcuts and enable autosave with a sensible interval such as 5 minutes. By connecting these settings, you reduce interruptions, keep file sizes manageable, and prepare the app to run reliably. You complete the process by running a short test session to confirm audio, video, and saved file playback work as expected. If something breaks, first restart the app and device, then clear the app cache and retoggle permissions. This fixes most issues. Make sure to export the debug log if problems persist, and capture screenshots to attach when contacting support. That way, you finish confidently, understand why issues occur, and provide clear evidence so troubleshooting is fast and effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.